I just wanted to show you what these doors look like now they are back on the cabinets, and they are looking really, really good. So we've not actually got around to tiling yet because, wow, that is going to be absolutely crazy. But we have a little bit of colour on the wall, as you can see behind me. The kitchen cabinets are on, we've got the washing machine in, we've got the dishwasher in. Finally, thank God, not having a dishwasher has been an absolute nightmare. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to just show you everything that we've done. I'm also going to show you the pantry because we've almost finished that. And well, we got to a point where we went, oh, everything's all in. I started putting all my baking bits and pieces in there, and we realised we needed more shelves. So we need to go and actually get some more shelves from B&Q or Home Depot and finish that off, and then we can get the rest of my baking things in there. But I'll just show you that and what that actually looks like. But for now, I'm going to do a little bit of a walk around. I'll show you some of the colours that we've used, the tiles that I'm planning on using on the wall when that's all done. And I'm going to show you the pantry too. So here we are in the kitchen. It's actually a little bit dark, sorry about that. I will just try and move the camera so you can see a little bit more. There we go, that is the wall that I've actually painted a little bit of, just so that we can actually see the colour, and I really, really like that. And these are the finished cabinets. Oh, look at that ceiling, I can't wait to get that done. But these are the actual cabinets, and I really, really love them. Look at those, they are absolutely beautiful. I mean, we do have some scuff marks and things on there just for the work that we've been doing sort of around the house, and we've been going in and out and in and out and in and out. But they are looking absolutely lovely. The top cabinets I feel like I could have done a little bit better with, but I am so impressed with the bottom cabinets. I mean, they are so stunning. Look at those. I mean, we've got some white paint sort of there, but I'll go back over that. That's not a problem. That's the great thing about them being painted, you just touch them up. But yeah, look at those. I absolutely love them. Oh. Yeah, really like them. I mean, these knobs here were actually reused. As you'll see sort of earlier in the video, they are reused from the old knobs that were actually used on the cupboards. And these ones here, these little cup ones, whee, they were actually bought off Amazon, and I bought loads more than I actually needed. But it just means that, you know, if one of these breaks for any reason, because they weren't dear, then I can just replace it. But I love them so much. And then I'm hoping when this hood is cleaned, because I really, really love this, we've tried cleaning it already, and it's just the grease on it is absolutely unbelievable. And we are really, really struggling to actually clean it. So the mother-in-law, love her cotton socks, she bought me some oven cleaner. So I'm going to get that on my oven because I'm going to show you the state that it was left in. I've not actually cooked anything in this, but it is nasty. Ugh, this is like probably the third time it's been open. But it's an absolutely lovely oven. I don't want to get rid of it yet, so I'm going to try and tackle that today. But other than that, it's looking good, looking good. I mean, it is a little bit messy because we've got things going in and out of here all the time. So we do have some shelves over there. Dan's stuff is for the top one for his keys and bits and pieces. And the second one is for all my bits and pieces. Then we've got gardening stuff, and then just bottom shelf with random things on. There's actually nothing over there in those. I do have a pile of washing, which I'm going to be putting in later. I'm sure that you will remember these from my walk around video. Yes, the Filbert the Fox Leicester City Football Club curtains. And these bad boys are going to actually be either going to a charity shop or will be going on eBay. So keep an eye out for those if they do go on eBay. If they do, I will link it in the description if you are interested in buying them. And we have our little cat flap down there, which Hugo has finally started to use, kind of. He still struggles, but whatever. And this is our crappy boiler that has never been serviced in 25 years that is being replaced next week. Yes! I can't wait for that thing to be replaced. We will have heating, we will have hot water. It's going to be awesome. And then this horrible ceiling, we are debating whether we take it down. Because if you actually have a look, let's go into the hallway. The ceilings are different heights there. So, do we take it down? Do we leave it and paint it? That is the question. But now I'm going to take you into the pantry. But first, I just want to show you these lovely little flowers that I've not killed yet, that my friend Carla got me. She's amazing. She didn't realise it said Happy Mother's Day on there. And crossed it out and put new home, bless her. Love her to pieces. So if you're watching this, Carla, hello! But yes, I've not killed them, which is brilliant. And here is the pantry. So in we go. You can just take a little bit of a look here. And if you didn't actually see any of my posts about the before and after, then I will just link them on this video, and I'll just pop some pictures as well so that you can actually see what it looked like before. And I did actually say to Dan, this is the reason why I'm saying it's not finished, is that we need some more of these shelves just to put on this wall here, because I don't want things on the floor. And it's the one thing that I do not want is stuff on the floor. So I've actually tried my hardest to scrub this floor. I've been on my hands and knees scrubbing this floor for, I don't know how many hours, but I just cannot get the rest of the crap off it. So I want some more shelves and everything can go in here. As you can probably see, all of my freeform stuff is actually over in that one corner there, because I don't want it being contaminated with all of my bits that aren't freeform. I've got stuff up there that I can use in both, so that's fine. But yeah, that's my little pantry and I love it, and it's an amazing place for all my baking stuff. So I'm very, very happy with that. Just need to get it finished off. So that was my little walk around of the kitchen, but now I'm just going to show you some of the colours and the bits and pieces that we actually do have for the kitchen. Unfortunately, I've had to put the navy blue and the white for the cabinets away, but you'll actually see earlier in the video anyway the colours that they were and where I actually got them from. So that'll be earlier in the video if you want to go back there and have a look. So I just want to show you the bits and pieces that we do actually have at the minute, and there are some bits that Dan's moved and I can't find, so you will have to bear with me. But this floor is horrendous, and there is that tile there was loose. So every time you came into the kitchen and you were just like going about your own business, you would kick it and it would go under the table, and then you'd be left with a huge hole. So I got very frustrated one evening and put tape on it. So that is staying like that until we get the floor done. But in regards to floor, we have a couple of choices of laminate here. So we've got a light one and we've got a darker one. Personally, I prefer this darker one, but I don't know. We're going to have to see sort of when the floor comes up, because I've tried putting these sort of on the floor under the cabinets and you just can't get a true sort of a reading for what it'll actually look like. So I'm going to have to wait, and then I'll just pop them under there and see what it looks like and what we've got, and then make a decision from there. But that's a bit of a while off yet. This is the colour that we've actually used on the wall here. Now, there is slight peachy undertones on it, but the thing that I really, really love about this is that it is kitchen, so it's wipeable, it's stain resistant, and it's called Biscuit, which is really cute. I didn't want to go just for a white because I think white can be a little bit boring, so I went for Biscuit instead, which I'm really happy about. And then if you saw my walk around video, you probably did actually see me showing you these tiles. So these tiles are the ones that we kind of want on the splashback. There you go, you can see it a bit better. But if I do that, you can kind of judge what it's going to look like with the navy and the white. So I really, really like these. These are in a taupe and they're by colours, which I actually had to go over to a branch that was probably about 30 or 40 miles away to actually get these, seeing as they didn't have any in my area. And I was like, okay, fine, fair enough. The colours for the cabinets, the white and the blue, they were by Colour Courage. The blue is, I think it was just navy blue, and the white was, I can't think off the top of my head what the white was. But I did want to show you this, so I'll walk you over here. There's my little space monkey guarding it, which, to be honest, my space monkey is the one and only thing that I ever won at a fair. So, hello, space monkey. But it is my lovely clock. I absolutely adore this clock. Really, really nice. I got this from Amazon. I think it was about £18 excluding delivery. And I have never had a clock before, ever, because I hate ticking. It is the most annoying sound in the world. To be sitting there in silence and hear a tick, 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 tick. It is so, so annoying. But Dan likes clocks, and I thought, what the heck, if I get annoyed by the ticking, I'll just take the battery out of it, it's fine. And that is probably going to go on there somewhere, maybe, just because it's such a low wall. So that is my clock. So that's it from me today. I'm a little walk around of the kitchen so you can see what my cabinets look like now they're on. You can see some of the bits and pieces that we're either planning to do or that we've already got and we've done. And also the pantry as well, which is coming along really, really good. Overall, I am super happy with how it is coming along, and I hope to bring you another instalment of the kitchen very, very soon. But there are going to be other renovation videos actually coming up with us in this house. There's going to be some massive changes with some of the rooms that we are doing. So if you do want to keep up to date with the renovations that we're doing in the house, do feel free to subscribe and click that notifications button so you know every time I upload a new video. Also, I'll pop my social media tags down below in the description, so if you do want to follow anything on social media, do feel free. I will have a lot of pictures that you aren't going to be seeing in the videos, sort of on my Instagram and also on my Facebook too, and I'll also be uploading them to Twitter every now and again as well. So like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notifications button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!